Video problem number 17, orbital diagrams and electron configuration. So now we actually get into this D block, which I'll remind you the D block is the period minus 1 D. So give the complete electron configuration of following elements. We start with scandium, so we got to go through periods 1, 2, and 3. So let's do that real quick. Period 1 is 1s2, period 2 is 2s2, 2p6, period 3 is 3s2, 3p6, and now we're on that fourth period. Now, keep in mind here the off-ball principle that the electrons go into the lowest energy levels first. And so now we have to go through the S, so we end up with 4s2, and now it's period minus 1. So we're on the fourth period. 4 minus 1 is 3, so that ends up being 3d1. Zinc way at the end is going to be very similar. It's going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, so that's through the third period. 4s1, 3d, oh no, it's 4s2, sorry, 4s2, 3d10, I was thinking of copper, which is an exception, but we're not doing copper. So 4s2, 3d10. Palladium then is right here. So it is now in the fifth period, so we got to go all the way through the fourth period. Let's do that first. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. Now we're right here, 3d10. Now we go back here and do those. That's the fourth period, 4p6, because the only one where we subtract 1 is the D. And then we get to 5. So we're right here, 5s2, and then 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4d8. Give the abbreviated electron configuration, so that's where we take the noble gas before it. So if we look at scandium, let me erase some stuff for you guys here. So here's scandium. The noble gas before it is argon. So we're going to do, for scandium, it's going to be argon in square brackets, and that represents, that argon in square brackets represents what? It represents this. All the way up to 3ps. So that's what it represents. And then we just start there. So it's 4s2, 3d1. Zinc is going to be very similar because it's on the same period. So it's going to be argon, 4s2, 3d10. So, if we highlight that, we highlight that. That's what we're talking about there. Then palladium is on the next period. So here's palladium right there. So we're going to be doing krypton in brackets. So for palladium, that's going to be equal krypton. All right. And so that is all the way up to 4p6. So what's that? And so we're going to have 5s2, 4d8. So there you go. There's, pardon me, there's some D block elements for you.